Make money online $10 every 20 minutes. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Some independent suppliers provide user testing service. One such tool is usertesting.com. It is a platform for usability customer experience testing that gathers feedback about a product or service from its target market on demand, allowing businesses to safeguard their brands and get rid of unpleasant user experiences. Marketers, UX and usability experts, executives, e-commerce managers, product managers, business owners, game developers, search engine specialists, mobile app developers, designers, and developers can all use this service to get their products tested by actual users, get feedback and fix any problems before the product is officially launched. How does user testing work? They collaborate with a number of businesses around the globe that seek to learn the true opinions of actual customers about their digital products. As a result, by informing them what you believe would work best on their website or app, what could be improved, and why you feel that way, you as a tester on usertesting.com will aid them in building a better digital experience. In addition, you make money while doing it. When we state that they target the right or exact clients, we mean you, a member of the testers panel who is most qualified to do test. You will be given tests based on your profile and demographics. If you sign up to be a tester with usertesting.com, the test will also be screened to see if you are the proper individual to provide feedback. For instance, if the test involves using an online shopping website, you will first have to pass through a screen that will inquire about your purchasing habits and the website you usually use. If your answers match with the requirements for the kind of testers they are looking for, only then you will be allowed to take up the test, else the test will move out of your bucket. For the test that you take up, you should be really good at speaking English. During the test, you need to provide feedback reading your user experience with the tasks that you are performing on the website. And at the end, you need to answer some question depending upon the website or app that you test. There is some other type of test as well, where you need to undergo conversation with the client about the user experience and what you feel about the website. Is user testing a scam or legit? User testing is a legitimate website where you can really earn some money on completing the testing tasks. It is not at all a scam. It also does not ask you to pay anything to get enrolled as a tester. It is a very honest app. They have a very straightforward and transparent process for enrollment and work. In order to become a tester, you need to submit a sample test, which is then reviewed by the user testing team. If your test gets approved, then you become a tester on this platform. All the payments are done through a PayPal account. There is no other mode of payment. They pay $10 for every 20-minute video you complete. For this, you need to visit a website or an application, follow instructions, and finish a set of tasks using your computer or mobile phone, and then give Load feedback about the user experience. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.